You look at the time. 5 surprises inside. Done one of these before, but I think we all know how they work by now. Whoop. Where shall we go first? Let's go here. Oh, it's so cute. Lighter. Hey, go and open it. We all know there's a peely tab, but that's the boring way, right? What have we got? She's a mermaid. Well, this one's sitting here by itself. What are they? Oh, they're beads. Some string that came with the beads. We've got 2 more left. Let's do this one. And we've got some stickers. We've got a little unicorn. A drink, looks like lemonade. And a dolphin. Last, but by certainly no means least, looks like we're going to be doing it the traditional way. Oh, and look, here's the thing that tells you what you can get inside. And a little wedge shoe keychain. So, that's the ball they all came in. And here's the items we got. A mermaid. A wedge style shoe. Some beads and string. 3 stickers, which is a dolphin, a drink, and a unicorn. And probably my personal favourite would be the ice cream highlighter. And here are all the possible things that you can get inside. As you can see, we've got the highlighter, we've got the pink one. We didn't get any of those. We got some stickers. We didn't get any of these. And we didn't get any of those. We didn't get a princess or a flower. We did, however, get the beads with the string. One of the shoes. And then let's turn it over and have a look at the other side. We didn't get a pony, but we did get a mermaid. We didn't get any of the butterflies or the little combs. We didn't get a badge. And we didn't get a cute pet. So that's everything you can get, and here's everything we have. Stay tuned if you want to see more.